Here is my boathouse mock. As you can see, has some red lights on the front and some yellow lights up here for better illumination of the surroundings whenever the boat's in the ocean or in the docking area. So I wanted, because recently I saw a TV show where they transform a fishing boat into a house. So that's kind of what I wanted to accomplish with this build, given the look like it's like a fishing boat right here, but then as you move to the sides you can see it's more like a house construction that is a boat. I used to own a pirate set, so I used that part. Sadly, I cannot find the rest of my pirate set because that was the main idea. I was gonna build a pirate mock, but I went with this build since I cannot find those parts. And as you notice, I used those 2x1 green tan bricks to give it more an interesting look. And I accomplished that by using those 2x1 studs so you can snap stuff to it. Use those old-fashioned windows on here and newer clear windows on downstairs. There's a little yellow seat right here so the minifig can sit, and whenever he feels he or she is gonna go fishing, so yeah, they can sit there. Then I don't know if this is accurate with a real boat, but this will be the engine, the propeller to push the boat. And you can see it can steer side to side. Use one of those brown doors for the entrance right here. So yeah, let's take a look inside. So you can see the way I build a roof. Use a lot of tiles to give it an elegant look. So here in the first floor we got the control room right here to navigate the ship. Then we got a little kitchen area right here with a stove. There's a skillet right here. There seems like a Sprite, or it could be some condiments. And some shelf right here. On the other side we got a refrigerator and a little sink area. There's a broom right here to keep the floor clean. And some interesting artwork right there. As you can notice, I use those tan pieces again and a darker gray tiles to give it a really nice look for the floor. So let's take a look to the downstairs. So you notice here's the stairs to go downstairs. So it's like the way I build it in a way so it's easier to take it apart. Or you can have a better look how I accomplished that. Here's like the pieces I use. Right. So there's downstairs. Little ornaments right there for decoration. There's a bed right here. Moving to the other side. It's like a little empty bookshelf holding a flat screen TV, which is turned off. Bathroom area. There's a toilet right there. I know it would not be kind of nice to have the toilet next to the TV, but there's some space constrictions in this build. Here I use that glass part to divide the shower from the bedroom. So here I added this part right here for the shower and use this blue piece right here to give it the look like there's gonna be water coming out. Now that we took that apart, let's take a better look of the shower area. So there's a sink right here, a light right here to illuminate the shower area. Use these pieces, round tile pieces, one by one, to give it a look like it's like a stonework to make the shower more elegant and stand out. So yeah. So there you have it, guys. That's my boathouse build. Hope you like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And see you next time.